How to issue documents for e-signing to contractors. To facilitate document sharing for e-signing with contractors, navigate to My Team and select the desired contractor. Click on the contractor's profile icon and proceed to the document section. In this section, locate the templates area within the electronic employee file, click on it, and select New Document. TFY provides standard templates for contract creation, which you can access in the Create a New Document section. For this demonstration, we will utilize one of these templates. Additionally, TFY offers a capability to store a vast array of templates within the system. Please select the individual responsible for issuing this contract. This will be presented to one of our contractors. We will utilize Simon Dole, and the final step will involve the person who authorizes the document once it is prepared. This is the finalized layout of the page. You can now observe that the contract has been issued with a comprehensive audit. Once this is prepared, it will be sent directly to the contractor's email address, prompting them to sign the document. You can also set up hierarchies within the document signing functionality, which will allow you to first have the document signed by relevant authorities within your company, and then after that, it will go to the contractor for the final stage. Thank you.